Just imagine, got into town at about midnight. And we got a show. Early morning, midnight show. I show you how to start a hit and miss engine. Modified. I'm going to close that choke up completely, and I'm going to turn that needle valve half a turn. I'm going to turn the engine over a couple of times to activate the check valve, get some fuel up there to the mixer. I suspect I'll open that choke up about that much. I would expect this engine to start the next turn of the flywheel. Just saying. I'm going to go ahead and flip that oiler on. Oiler's on. At this point, we've not tried to start this engine yet. So I'm going to flip on the electric right there. That engine's running on that camp fuel. From here in Middle Tennessee, they say it's the geographical center of something. Has Shop Dog Sam YouTube channel. A little bit after dark. Hit and miss engine. Be a good time to light one up. What I'm talking about. Oh yeah. As we listen to this old engine, that was one of them igniter type M's. Built a plate right there, put a spark plug in it. I worked on the block a little bit, removed some casting parts there, gas tank, anything that was not necessary. Mixer going in the bottom of the head, exhaust coming out the top. I probably should see how hot that exhaust is. Well, I would be pressed to use the word warm to describe the temperature of the exhaust. That's the beauty of a hit and miss. Got drip oiler on it there. Just a little whimsical idea. Put an engine in a circus wagon, miniature. Got them flywheels turned around. This side's supposed to be on that side, and that side's supposed to be on this side. Got the governor over here where I could work with it in a straight line motion. It's got a square push rod part ways. It's got a buzz-coil, 12-volt battery. The greaser don't work on this side. Engine's running in reverse. You have to grease it when it's at a standstill. Got a shop-built mixer on it there. Nothing but a needle valve. Check valve in a pint jar. Running on Coleman fuel. I should submit that for grade. Y'all enjoying that. Leave a comment there if you mind too. And, well, you know, studying on a few things as this engine runs. Happenings, you know, in the world. It's pretty cool here in Middle Tennessee. Visitor a few days ago. Chicken. Man. That gun pilot, good seeing you, man. Gary Ware. Shout out to Gary Ware. Subscriber there, commenter. Hey Gary. Here in my backyard, Middle Tennessee.